Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPhone is currently unable to access mobile data or make and receive calls or messages. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue on your iPhone screen that you cannot use your mobile data or you are unable to make calls or messages, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it's nothing else, just a network issue. You can easily fix this with some simple steps. The very first step is that you have to connect with your phone with a Wi-Fi network, and after that you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. You have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, open your settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates for downloading or installation. If you find any update here, try to update your software, and after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make up for restarting your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until it's screen goes to black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you are still facing the same issue. So you just have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, your hotspot, Bluetooth, and also including your AirDrop. It will fix your issue, or if you are still facing the same issues, you just have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can use Apple Sport web. Select your iPhone from here, then select more option, and here you just have to look for the option of cellular services, or if you can't find cellular services, you have to look for mobile services here. Select that, then select skip for now option, and after that just select the get more help option. Select call us. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number. You will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.